Hi everyone. I hope you are all enjoying the holiday season despite this crazy year. I want to take this opportunity as we transition into 2021 to personally introduce myself to you guys and give you a preview of what to expect on this channel moving forward. As you probably know by now, my name is Rob and I am the Egrow YouTube manager. I got started in e-commerce back in university by dropshipping items on eBay. Eventually, I transitioned that business model to Amazon, and now I focus on FBA as a sustainable long-term business model. During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, my Amazon store was averaging over $12,000 in revenue per day. Now I want to help you guys by sharing tips and tricks to make your Amazon store even more successful. Over the next few months, you will see a bunch of useful videos, including expert interviews, where I dive deep into specific FBA topics with an experienced seller. Also, there will be several new tutorial videos available about how to effectively use Egrow software, as well as tips for getting the most out of Amazon Seller Central. This YouTube channel is all about helping the Egrow community, so please, let me know what type of topics or videos you would like to see moving forward by commenting below or emailing me at rob@egrow.io. I would really love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the new year.